Sandy, welcome to Xi'an.
It's so big. How can I finish?
You track which one you like.
This is hot one. Hot noodles. This is cold noodles. I like this kind of this noodles.
Yeah.
This one's so good.
Which one you like more?
I like hot noodles. Let me try again.
I guess you cannot get bed.
Hello.
Wow, baby. You are now foreigners.
Really?
Foreigners never do that. Your time.
And we put this one. This is so good. It's like, how to say, a little sour, but not too sour. Mixed with together.
Oh, looks so yummy, huh?
Oh my god, I'm very curious. More yummy.
Yes. See?
Almost finished.
I
And it's so good.